Hey guys, this is Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we're going to show you how you can transform your Lightning McQueen into Pabbie from Disney's Frozen. Mix enough gray Play-Doh to completely cover your Lightning McQueen. When I mixed my black and white Play-Doh together, I left it kind of speckly. After you've completely covered your Lightning McQueen, take a small butter knife and cut away the part that covers his eyes. Next, you'll shape Pabbie's nose and ears. And his ears are kind of big and mouse-like. To make Pabbie's mouth, you'll take a little piece of gray Play-Doh and roll it out into a thin line. Press that onto the front of Lightning McQueen and then take two tiny little pieces of white Play-Doh. Those will be Pabbie's teeth. Press Pabbie's teeth into the front of Lightning McQueen and then roll out another little piece of gray Play-Doh to form Pabbie's upper lip. The next part is my favorite. To make Pabbie's mane and hair, take green and yellow Play-Doh and press it through the extruder. Gently press the Play-Doh on the top of his head and around his mouth. Pabbie has really bushy eyebrows, so use a couple of extra little pieces of the Play-Doh to create those. And there's Pabbie. For more Play-Doh and Cars 2 fun, click on one of the pictures at the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.